Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the latest in honest, no-nonsense reviews. Today, we're looking at the BLACK+DECKER Cordless Vacuum, the Powerseries Extreme model, BSV 2020G. If you're in the market for a cordless vacuum that's both powerful and versatile, stick around. We'll walk through everything from suction power to real-world usability to help you decide if this is the right fit for your home. At first glance, the BLACK+DECKER Powerseries Extreme stands out with its sleek, lightweight design and its promise of multi-surface cleaning. This stick vacuum is engineered for convenience with its removable floor head and a range of accessories that make it adaptable to a variety of cleaning tasks. From hard floors to carpets and furniture, it's designed to tackle multiple surfaces and debris types, with an anti-tangle brush bar to help prevent clogging while you clean. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the features. First up is the cleaning system. This vacuum boasts a 3x cleaning system that focuses on multi-surface cleanup, multi-debris pickup, and importantly, that anti-tangle brush bar. The idea here is that it can handle a variety of messes with ease, from crumbs on the kitchen floor to pet hair on your carpet. Speaking of which, it claims up to 75% better pickup on carpeted surfaces. Impressive, right? But what does that mean for you in real terms? In our testing, the vacuum did a solid job picking up both fine dust and larger debris on hard floors, thanks to its 3-speed control feature. The first speed is for lighter cleaning jobs, like daily dusting or sweeping, while the higher speeds really shine when you need that extra boost for carpets or tougher messes. And it's not just about power. The vacuum is equipped with a twist-to-clean filter, which promises up to twice the suction once the filter is cleaned. This is a useful feature, as it helps maintain optimal suction performance over time. When it comes to battery life, this vacuum offers up to 55 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough to handle a typical cleaning session in most homes. The removable battery adds convenience, allowing you to charge it inside or outside the vacuum. However, if you're tackling a larger space, keep in mind that you might need to plan for a recharge during the cleaning process. For those looking for a cordless design, this vacuum offers portability and ease of use, with the added benefit of being self-standing, so you don't need to lean it against walls or furniture. The dustbin is another thoughtful design feature. It's front-facing for easy access when it's time to empty it, and it's a one-touch system, making it hassle-free when you need to clear out debris. And while the bin isn't the largest on the market, it's a good size for most tasks, so frequent emptying shouldn't be a problem. Plus, the fact that the vacuum lays flat allows you to get into those hard-to-reach spaces with minimal effort. One of the standout features is its versatility. You can easily convert it into a handheld vacuum, making it perfect for cleaning furniture, stairs, or even car interiors. The attachments, like the Crevice tool, add flexibility, letting you clean tight spaces where the main stick vacuum might struggle. That's a huge bonus if you live in a home with lots of stairs or hard-to-reach spots. But, of course, no vacuum is without its drawbacks. For all its portability and convenience, the BLACK+DECKER Powerseries Extreme does have some limitations. While it does a good job on carpets, it's not quite as powerful as some corded models when it comes to deep cleaning thick carpet or picking up very fine dust. The battery life, while adequate, may not be long enough for larger homes or more extensive cleaning sessions without a recharge. And while the self-standing feature is nice, it's not always as stable as you might want it to be, especially when it's fully loaded with debris. Now let's talk noise. This model is relatively quiet compared to some other vacuums we've tested, but it's not silent. On the higher speeds, it can get a bit louder, so it's something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to noise. That said, it's not overwhelming, and the sound is less of a nuisance than some of its competitors. In terms of build quality, the Powerseries Extreme feels solid, but not overly premium. The plastic construction is lightweight, which contributes to its ease of use, but it doesn't have that high-end, robust feel of some more expensive models. That said, for the price point, the materials hold up well enough, and the overall design is user-friendly and intuitive. Maintenance is pretty straightforward. Cleaning the filter, clearing out the brush roll, and emptying the dustbin are all simple tasks. The attachments are easy to switch in and out, and we didn't encounter any issues with clogs or maintenance problems during our testing. When it comes to value for money, the BLACK+DECKER Powerseries Extreme does a solid job for its price range. It's not the cheapest cordless stick vacuum out there, but it offers strong performance, particularly for homes with a mix of floor types. If you're a pet owner, you'll appreciate the anti-tangle brush bar and the decent performance on pet hair. For allergy sufferers, the filtration system does a decent job, though it's not quite as advanced as some higher-end models with HEPA filters. Still, for the price, it offers a lot of versatility and solid cleaning power. If you're considering other models, the Powerseries Extreme stacks up reasonably well against other vacuums in this category, though there are a few direct competitors worth mentioning. For example, the Dyson V7 and V8 are slightly more powerful options, with longer battery life and slightly more advanced filtration systems, but they come at a higher price. On the other hand, models like the Hoover Lynx offer similar performance but with a more traditional corded design, which could be a pro or con depending on your preferences. In terms of build quality and long-term performance, we're cautiously optimistic. While there isn't a wealth of long-term data available on this model just yet, BLACK+DECKER generally has a solid track record for producing durable vacuums at a good price. The Powerseries Extreme's design, while not flawless, should hold up well for the average user, and it's relatively easy to maintain. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle multi-surface cleaning, pet hair, and tight spaces, the BLACK+DECKER Powerseries Extreme could be a great fit. It's best suited for smaller to medium-sized homes with a mix of hard floors and carpets. If you're in need of something with exceptional suction power for deep carpet cleaning, or if you have a larger home, you may want to consider some of the more expensive, high-end models. But for most users, this vacuum strikes a good balance between performance, convenience, and affordability. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. You can find the link to this product in the comments box below. And if you've used this vacuum, feel free to share your experience. We'd love to hear from you. Goodbye till next time, and remember, whether it's dust or dirt, we've got your cleaning covered at Reviewsinside TV.